Like Visonic is Israel-based product, 50 years old company, and Visonic is well known for wireless intrusion alarm product, come wireless fire alarm solution. So in Visonic we have a complete range of sensors. Like we have a indoor sensors, outdoor sensors, PR sensor, curtain sensors, glass break sensor, vibration, all kind of sensor we have. So the beauty of the product is the range and battery life of the sensors. So like this is a 30 zone control panel. These are 64 zone control panel. So these are the curtain PRs and outdoor curtain PRs. This is the outdoor PRs. And Visonic also we have a mobile applications as well as CMS software. So whenever intruder happen, you can get immediately notification on mobile applications as well as through GSM module. You can get the call and SMS. Also, you can connect multiple panels on a CMS software, so you can get the notifications.